In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MT5 Depth of Market. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the DOM in Metatrader 5, read what it shows, and place trades directly from it with confidence. Depth of Market, or DOM, displays real-time buy and sell orders at different price levels. Think of it as a live order book that shows available liquidity. It's especially popular with scalpers and short-term traders because it reveals where orders are stacked and how the order flow is developing. You can also place trades right from this panel, which keeps everything fast and streamlined. Let's start by opening the DOM. You can do this from MarketWatch by right-clicking any symbol, such as EURUSD or XAUUSD, and selecting Depth of Market. If you prefer shortcuts, press Alt+B on your keyboard. Or if you're already looking at a chart, simply right-click on the chart and choose Depth of Market there. Use whichever method fits your workflow. Inside the DOM window, you'll see three main elements. On one side are the bid prices, which represent buy orders waiting in the book. On the other side are the ask prices, which represent sell orders. Between or alongside them, you'll find the volume column, showing how many lots are available at each price. Larger volumes indicate higher liquidity. As a quick reading tip, when you notice a cluster of large sell orders just above the current price, that area can act as potential resistance. Likewise, a cluster of large buy orders below price can serve as potential support. This doesn't guarantee a reaction, but it helps you gauge where the market may pause. Placing orders from the DOM is straightforward. For a market order, set your volume, then click Buy or Sell. The trade will execute immediately at the best available price. If you prefer pending orders at specific prices, click on the price level in the DOM. Clicking above the current price will place a sell limit or a buy stop, depending on direction, while clicking below the current price will place a sell stop or a buy limit. Confirm the order details before sending. You can set your lot size, stop loss, and take profit directly within the DOM panel before placing the trade. This keeps risk management front and center and saves valuable time during fast markets. A few important notes. Not all brokers provide full DOM data, and it's most commonly available on ECN or Pro-style accounts. DOM shines in fast, short-term trading environments, but remember, it reflects your broker's liquidity. If you're new, practice in a demo first to get comfortable with how the order book behaves.